What?
No. That's why I couldn't take a shot.
See, now it's blinking like it's this fuck up. Cause now it's got little blinkers and it's gonna start flying like a normal thing, but watch, it's gonna get above us and all of a sudden it's gonna plane. The plane's
Oh, it's a transformer.
Huh?
It's a transformer.
Watch. Sorry though, planes don't go.
Look, I know, look, I see it. It just went zigzag. See it? Look, 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 look. Oh my god, there's a UFO. Oh my god, look at it, it's going up and down. No, I don't know how to get it on.
And how comes that light isn't as bright as it was? Do you remember? Like it's a huge floodlight, a spotlight. Where'd the fucking light go? You hear it? Sounds like a plane.
Oh my god, look, there's no way that's a fucking light.
Look at that movie.
Hold on, I can't miss the shot.
Where did that big giant light go? You know what I mean? Like, I don't get it.
It's true. It's a trap. See it? Has its two on that way?
Yeah. It tries to upgrade its place, but it just stays so fucking. How comes the light is it got closer to us and should have been brighter?
That's it.
What the fuck is that? And this you can hear it before it's caught.
It's always.
Huh? Oh my god, that's the thing that we were originally watching. We got distracted by the plane. Oh my god, I don't like that thing. Yeah, because it decided to go scout out over there. Oh my god, it sees us. Hurry.
It just stopped.
Yeah. What?
It's coming.
It's going sideways. Did you see that?
He did a good job with that. Yes. It's freezing, isn't it? There's lasers on these things that make me sound.
Do you know there's laser things? What the fuck's that? Here, steady on my shoulder. Steady on my shoulder.
See how it goes like that real fast?
And it's like,
Stay still, stay still.
hey, where was that mother? We thought it. Oh my god, look at it.
Oh my god, did you see that red light?
Where? Coming off of it?
Yeah. Look, the red light. See, it goes real fast.
Why is it going like this? It's finally cockeyed.
It's sideways. Look, there's another one.
There's another one playing. Where was it? It was hiding right by the trees. Like he came close enough and dropped down with that thing across. It's like, that's how we. That's a big motherfucker. See him coming from Effort